These are some IEC power cables, and these are useful if you have devices that you need to chain together. Or it also is a Y cable, so it splits the power into a standard US style 3-pronged grounded outlet and an IEC end there. So here's the part number here. As you can see, it is made in China. So it's about 1 foot long, and it's useful if you have, for example, a DMX light. And so what I would do is I would plug the power cable into this end here, would go right in there, and then it would split it off into a standard outlet, and then this part would go into the light, the DMX light. Now this outlet would be for a wireless DMX receiver that requires power. So for example, I have this Wysicle here, and this goes into the DMX device, but it also requires power input. So I have this adapter here for power, and this would go in here. And then I could plug this power adapter in there. And so this powers the wireless receiver for the DMX light, and then this powers the actual DMX light. Now, it doesn't draw too much power, so I don't have to worry about overloading the cable or anything. This only draws it's 5 volt, 0.5 amp. So not that much power that it's drawing to power this. But this way, this minimizes the number of power cables that I need to run to a DMX fixture in order to have a wireless DMX receiver on that fixture that requires power. So that's it for this IEC power cable. So as you can see, you could plug this in to a standard IEC power cable, and this goes to the DMX fixture, and this end goes to my wireless DMX control receiver.